guys, good morning. So we're getting ready and we're about to leave and we're gonna go pick up my friends and we're gonna have a picnic today at our secret spot and I'll show you guys there. And it's Karen. Ready to go?
Not yet.
Ready to go. We have to go already. We're supposed to leave. We were supposed to leave like earlier, so yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys there.
I didn't know they were into
Okay. Hi guys.
Oh, Karen,
Bye.
you camera broke, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, what happened?
But how do you know?
Oh, I dropped it like 2 times.
Oh, because you tweeted it.
No, because we were talking indirectly with
With me?
We're getting food. We're getting food. At Walgreens, getting some drinks. That's you. Everyone's having problems.
Hi. We're going to. Oh, am I supposed to say where we're going?
Yeah, they
Oh, we're gonna go to. Oh my gosh.
Oh, we're going to
Our secret. We're going to our secret spot. I think I know already. No, are we going? No, wait. It's another place.
Yeah.
Wait,
It's a park. Oh, a top one. We're going to the top.
oh wait, I remember this way. We went and then we stopped to look at the view. There's more to it though.
Yeah. The graveyard?
Yeah.
Oh, not that.
But it's here, yeah.
So I just keep going straight?
Yeah.
Can I see the view? No? Not yet.
Not yet.
Say hi, everyone.
I don't know why there's like
Where's everyone? Okay. There's Jay in the back. You can't catch him.
Oh, that was terrible.
Oh, yeah.
It's like for
Oh, how did you know?
Is it like
There are doors.
why is my stuff like not standing in?
I don't know what it's called, but it was
Hole in the wall.
Hi guys. We're all eating in the car
Because it's raining.
because it's raining.
It's a bit of fun.
Jay's over there. What? Yeah. We're gonna wait for the rain to die down. This is what happened. So we thought it was good to go out because it stopped drizzling and then it started pouring. So we're stuck.
We're not stuck. We're just not.
And Jay's just like
Jay just wants to open it.
he just wants to open the
It's
pump.
like a gift to myself.
Rain or shine.
It's so cold. White girl.
Hey, look. He has the original one.
Rum shaper. Rum shaper.
I'm original rum shaker.
So the original outlet. Let's eat some vegetables. Oh my god.
She's gonna cry.
Wait, this one? Are you sure? Yeah.
No, don't do it!
Did you Karen said I could eat it!
Karen, see what you did!
Do you know how many animals roam around here?
Does it taste good?
Probably eat it.
It's bitter. Stop eating it.
Oh.
Karen said that in Man vs. Wild, the guy ate something like that, and so Jackie tried.
I'm putting this down.
There's a lizard.
Oh, there is.
Go, Karen. One hand, one hand, one hand. Oh, yeah. Yeah, fella. Yeah. Go. Go, Natasha, go. Oh. Thanks for saving me. I couldn't catch that.
That's too close. You're too close.
Go from here.
Everybody's made one except these two.
We're pretty G. I'm in my umbrella too.
Oh, your Miami trick.
Okay, come on, Natasha, only you.
Almost.
She's
just throwing the ball. Aim. Aim.
Oh.
Yes! Finally, let's play.
Is it
We just finished. Everyone's like pretty We won.
This is all sweat, man. We won. This is all
Lovejoy's, Karen, me, winners. No, winners. Look, my flats are like fully wet, but it was a good game.
This sweater isn't meant for playing.
Hi, everybody.
So we just finished playing. Drying off right now.
Yeah, we got rained on and it stopped raining.
Oh, there's a cup. There's a cup.
Or there.
Oh my god.
Did we record?
The cop.
There's a police car. Wait, right there.
Hands in it. Are you okay?
Look at the houses though. And the view of the houses. Ah, there's a car. Okay. Hi.
Hi. So I just woke up from my nap. I fell asleep once I got home. I was really tired and I don't know why, but yeah. So I'm about to wake up. I'm about to work out. It's about 8 o'clock. So yeah, and I think that's it. Oh, should add something to this because today was actually very great. I don't know if I should be neat or no. I'm not gonna be neat. Decided that. And yay! So this is the first one of the new year. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna go work out. So I just finished taking a shower, and as you know, I worked out, right? So here's the bad thing. My mom came back from church, and let's look what we have. Donuts! There's donuts. I think I'm gonna eat one.
Those are Duke's donuts.
I know, they're big. Oh, what happened to the half that you ate? The other half, Dad ate it? Oh, I'm drunk. Okay. I don't know which one I'm gonna take. I think one half of this. Grab a knife. Mom. Got it. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this and then edit the video that I'm gonna put up tomorrow. And yeah, I think tomorrow I'm gonna wake up early to go church, and then I have work. So I may or may not be vlogging. If so, I probably am gonna do a tag, so watch out for that. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and good night.